So summary of this first demo, that we first access the data, okay, through Excel files into MATLAB. Then we did some the data analysis and we created some model there. Okay. Then we will see further that how we can create the GUI based apps into MATLAB. Further, we also we can also see that how the data that we the model that we have created, and we can share with our colleagues. Okay. So let me again go back to the MATLAB environment. So now this is my model, right? And I want to complete this result. I want to share with my colleagues. So how I can do this? I just need to go here into this live editor. If you click on this export tab, so MATLAB will give me this options, right? You can export your model using PDF file, using Word file, using this HTML file or LaTeX file. Okay, so these are the some form that we can share our files. For example, I'm choosing this Word file, right? I want to select, I want to share this file as a Word file, right? So I'm selecting this main analysis live. Okay, as it is in there. Okay, so the Word file will create for me. Just a second, the file is creating. Okay, so this file that we have created, okay, using this export as a doc file, right? You can also do this like into PDF forms. Okay, whatever the operation or whatever the things that we code that we have written into this live editor, as it will with result, it will give this file, right? So you can give this as your project work, or you can share with you can publish it as your research paper. Okay, so it will be very easy, or it is advantage for with live editor, right? So this is the difference between the script file and live editor file. What happens in live editor files? You can give the name, or give some small description there. You can annotate the section that what I have did here. For example, I have this imported file. So this thing that you can do with live editor, right? Go back to the PPT. Yeah. That now we have saw that how we can share our results with our colleagues. Okay. So we also that we saw that how MATLAB useful for the data prediction models, or we have we not saw that the statistics and machine learning toolbox. But further that also we saw that curve fitting toolbox, how we can use curve fitting toolbox to create mathematical model or prediction model, right? We'll see it further that what is the use of this MATLAB compiler.